And as we try to wrap our heads around how these floodwaters turned so deadly, we've gotten some new perspective from the morning of those floods. Dispatch audio revealing some of the chaos as first responders race to help. By 3:30 in the morning on July 4th, as the Guadalupe River rises, calls start coming in. First responders trying to evacuate people. An hour later, crews ask for warnings for residents about these floods, but dispatchers tell them they need approval.
Is there any way we can send a code red out to our Hunt residents asking them to find higher ground or stay home?
We have to get that approved with our supervisor.
Dispatch from Utility 51. Can you advise who's running command?
Sir, we don't have the incident command right now.
You hear that audio and you have to wonder how many lives could have been saved if those alerts had gone out. That dispatch helping guide crews with no clear command center. Over the next few hours, staging areas begin to form. Hundreds of people were rescued. Meanwhile, the Texas legislature set to meet in a special session just days from now to go over this issue. Emergency response, flood warnings, certainly a top priority for state lawmakers. Now with the special committee trying to make sure that all of Texas is prepared for the next natural disaster. They've got 2 hearings scheduled, the first one on the 23rd in Austin, the second in Kerrville on July 31st.